Hello, and welcome to yet another video on Gatekeeper. In this video, we will be talking about how to use Gatekeeper to diagnose sudden surge in CPU usage. This is an example where we noticed a sudden surge in CPU usage on the server. Gatekeeper makes it really easy to identify which processes are currently actively using CPU. All you have to do is to move your mouse over CPU usage chart, and the processes active at that time are displayed in the top process widget. For example, here we can see that the way CPU usage is surging, and we can clearly see on the right side that most of the CPU is consumed by MySQL and Apache. Also, if you look at this point, we clearly see all the processes relate to Apache and MySQL. We notice the same thing again here. Now, if we want to look at the process level details for MySQL, then we can click on the process ID. It opens the chart for MySQL that shows its CPU and memory usage. Now, if we want to see the correlation of how CPU usage relates to Apache, you could click on the CPU usage chart. It will take you to the more detailed screen, and then we can open the chart for Apache traffic details. Looking at these two charts together, we can clearly see a tight correlation between the two. We had observed that MySQL was also using some CPU, so we can add MySQL latency chart. We can clearly see that even this is closely related to variations in CPU chart. This is how Gatekeeper makes it really easy to find out the processes that are causing spike in CPU. This same process can be repeated to find out any other process that could be using up CPU and diagnose issues. Hope this video was helpful in learning how to use Gatekeeper for diagnosing CPU spikes. Thanks for watching.